Yeah. I've never seen that one close before.
No.
Oh, where's the camera?
I know. I've just been watching it the whole time. I've been on the phone. It's like, get off the phone. I need to. That is proper amazing. Yeah, you can see the you can see the rotation at the top. That is amazing. Oh my word. It's breaking up a bit now though. It's roping out, as they say. Oh my god!
It's gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thought we were going to get carried away then.
Haha. That is so cool. And now it's gone. Ah! Oh, I need to stop making squeaky noises. It's going to be embarrassing when I watch this film back.
No, because I was going off then. You are still filming. I've turned mine off now.
And it's gone.